Hey everyone, I wanted to show you Abeka Homeschool Bible 3. This is their online course. This is the video manual that you get. I'm also going to navigate you into the website so you can see kind of what it looks like and how it's formatted. So basically the Bible course is super cheap, only like $25 for the whole year. It includes the shipping of this video manual. And for the most part, there's no worksheets or anything included. They really only need their Bibles. There are a couple worksheets in here that I'll show you, but pretty much they just press play on the video and that's that. Now, it is Bible. However, I will mention that it's a really good thing to start your day off with because they also do the pledge and they sing like patriotic songs and things like that. So those typical like morning routine type of things that you kind of think of, they also do as part of the Bible course. Now, the Bible course is directed to a whole class. It is like a teacher teaching a class in person, and she does include your student as well. And she'll say, you know, if you're online, if you're a girl online, you can say this part. If you're a boy online, you can say this part or whatever like that. But it is, you can see the whole class. So this is the video manual that you get. And let's see here. So basically, it says how to use the guide, and then it just goes day by day, anything you need to prep and the procedures. Now, I honestly have not had to prep anything. So it says like memorization, have student use a bookmark to help him find the verses quickly. But I mean, really, my daughter literally just presses play and has her Bible handy. So every once in a while, you are going to need a worksheet, and I'll show you that in just a minute. There's also where they will do their Bible verses, and so you should note that, like on lesson 16, they should do their Bible verse. Now, I am not actually making my daughter memorize these Bible verses because we do Awana. So now it kind of becomes natural, and she memorizes them anyway because they practice them in the class on the video, but it's not something that I actually grade. So, but that's, totally up to you. So it just literally goes day by day. And so again, I really never utilize this. Okay, here it talks about leading children to Christ. Now, this is included in their like Bible curriculum, like the Salvation series. I have a video on that, which is my like all-time favorite thing like ever. But it has this sample wording and it talks about that here, the Salvation series. I really, really highly recommend it. I can't even stress that enough. But anyways, it has this sample wording for helping a child trust Christ for forgiveness. And this is so handy. So just know that's in there. And then we have the Bible memory passages all on this like one sheet here. So you can see these pages are perforated too. So if you wanted to pull that out, you could even laminate it. Okay, now here's the worksheets that you will need. And so you see down here it says lesson 22. So the first worksheet you need isn't until lesson 22. But then here we go, and then we have the corrected version, like the teacher's guide version with the answers filled in. The answer key, that's what I'm looking for. Answer key, I couldn't think of what it was called. Okay, and then again, we don't have another worksheet until lesson 40. And then the answer key for that. And then lesson 55. And the answer key for that. Lesson 72. You get the idea. So it's not every day that you have a worksheet. It's like every 20 lessons or something that you have a worksheet. And then in the back, you do have a progress report. If you want to keep track of an actual grade, you can do that. And that is it. So now I'll show you kind of inside on the computer end what it looks like. When you log in, you're basically on something that looks like this, where you have your course over here. And so my daughter actually just logs in on her iPad, and then she can just click the lesson that she is on, and you just watch the lesson. It's really that easy. So the lessons are about 30 minutes long. It's 27:31, but it's always under 30 minutes, but somewhere between 25-30 minutes long. And it tells you what day it is. And again, this correlates with that book that I showed you. And if there's any quiz or test or worksheet needed, then you'll know in there as well. And so you can just play the lesson. You can make it big if you want.
Welcome to Bible. Let's begin with our pledge and then singing God Bless America. Stand.